Alright guys, here is another little home project that you can do, which is really easy at home to get the kids doing math, recognizing the numbers, and counting. So all you need is a piece of cardboard paper, a piece of cardboard, and these little flowers I got offline, right? Just printed it offline, cut it around the sides, and I stuck it to another piece of cardboard, and I cut around that as well, and then put some tacks right here. But you want to be careful when you're playing with this with the tacks because they are sharp. So this is fun for the kids to do math, and so Seven is going to show you guys how to use this and do the matching. Right, Seven?
Yes.
All right, everybody, how to match the numbers with the words to the numbers. So as you can see, he put uno and uno together. So you want to match the petals with the number and then the number spelled out. Sevens is in Spanish because he already knows the English version. So we need to work more on Espanol. Okay, can you do another one, Seven? Siete and siete. Good job. See?
That's how you do it, guys.
That's how you do it. That's right. It's pretty easy, right? Can you do another one? Okay, he did uno and uno. Bravo, little boy. Good job.